Okay, good morning to all 42 of you that might be watching this video. So, it's been a little bit. I'm in Columbia, Tennessee. I got here to this Lowe's store, I don't know, about 7 o'clock local time, 1900. Shut down because I got here ahead of schedule as I planned, even with a breakdown situation. Obviously I don't have any video of that. Well, not obviously, you don't know about it until now. But anyway, so even with all that, I still managed to get from Adairsville, Georgia, all the way out here, which meant taking the mountains from that way out here, which I have done this particular run from that distribution center to this particular store before, so I knew what I was in for and all this stuff. It was just a little bit different because last time I was here there was no snow, so it was slow and go, just as it was over the summer, but even more so and everything because it was about 29 degrees when I was going through that particular portion of the mountains. I forgot what highway that was now. But anyway, clearly we made it, much to the aggravation of all of the cars behind me, but oh well. So here's the downside to all of this, is that this is a drop trailer situation. There's a trailer for me sitting over there, but what I have to do is detach from the trailer that I brought in. I have to then go over there and grab that trailer, hook up to that one, check it, make sure that it's good to go. I kind of walked over there and did a preliminary scan on it, and it looks pretty good to go already. But then I have to bring that and park it right over here because there's another truck that's been here since before I got here. I don't know what's going on with him, but whatever. So trailer that I've got obviously attached to me right now, leaving that here for a moment. Got to go over there, grab that one, pull that one out, park it right over here so that way I can give him enough room to get out in the event that he just starts moving while I'm in the process of all this. Unhook from that trailer, come back around, hook up to this trailer that I brought in, put it in the hole as the replacement for the trailer that I just put over here. And then after I detach from that trailer, this trailer over there, I then have to come back over here and pick up this one again. And we're going to be taking that one with us. Does that make sense? Good. I'm glad, because I'm not repeating it. And then from there, I don't know where we're going to be going yet. It's still early. Don't have the next assignment yet. That's perfectly fine. And we're counting down the days until we go home. I will be home sometime Sunday. And then at that point and everything, it is my wife's birthday week, so we're going to be off doing a lot of fun things for that. And might even do a hiking video this time. It's been a long time since I've done a hiking video. A long time. Anyway. So yeah, clearly there's still plenty of snow on the ground. But the drive was not bad at all. As far as going from Georgia to here. I mean, I had to deal with Atlanta, but if you have driven through Atlanta either in a 4-wheeler or an 18-wheeler, you know. Anyway, let's get to work. Step 1 is done. So that trailer's disconnected. That trailer over there, the other one, right? There's a guy, he's going weird side of things is that this is one of those locations where the load platform is on a downward slope. So the problem sometimes is that the previous driver doesn't always lift it enough when they're putting it on the landing gear. Plus, you're going backwards on a downhill grade. See the problem? You don't want to like slam into the trailer because it could send it back down to the. Just send that as a ripple effect right down into the dock itself. All right, so that's that one done. I gotta go check on everything, make sure it's actually locked in. Now, the one thing is that the tandems are all the way in the back on this trailer. I'm not going to fix them up just yet. See what's going on over there. He might have woken up and it was like some sort of robot and was just ready to go. So that's step 2 done. Now, step 2 is done. The one thing you have to take into consideration is that you also have to go disconnect the airlines and the electrical cable. So now what we'll do is, because again, I don't know what Western Express is doing back there right now. I'll pull one of these numbers. I don't necessarily feel like backing up. I could. If there was no one else back there, I would just probably go ahead and just back the straightaway. However, there we go. Didn't even get stuck in the snow. Step 3. This is where things get a little interesting. Snow's almost as tall as the truck. tandem back. Speaking of that, I'll be right back. This is all part of step 4. Yeah. like about these zero entry points is that it helps things move without you having to put too much momentum into it. It just kind of goes back on its own. Alright, now I gotta go check and make sure that everything is actually lined up properly. Even if I know it is, I still do it anyway. I'm gonna chalk the wheels, unhook from this one, then we gotta go grab the other one, and then grab the paperwork, and we're out of here. Too late to work out on this. Okay. There's another truck that showed up, but he's out of the way. Probably gotta find out where he's gotta park himself. So, step, whatever, 5? Sure. Hook back up to the other trailer. I'll do a full pre-trip on the truck and trailer. Kind of while they're getting the paperwork done, and then we will be on our way to wherever. Let's go! Lowe's, it's been fun. Good to see you again. I mean that specifically to this Lowe's. Which, I could turn that into a tiny house. Actually, no, that wouldn't even be a tiny house. That would actually end up being an outdoor library for my wife. Oh, maybe that's that's a late idea for a birthday present. I can get her another shed for the back